Hey y'all, good morning. I wanted to show y'all a few things that came in for the built-in and the dining room. And also I wanted to show y'all an idea that I had for my half bath, and then we're gonna go to H-E-B to buy some stuff to make some potato soup. This is what's come in for the built-in. Both of the lights that are gonna be going above the coffee bar came in. So these two units right here are gonna be the coffee bar section, and these lights are gonna go up high, so they're gonna shine down. They'll be above the ladder railing. But this is what I chose. It's like a brass light fixture. And we're gonna put dimmable lights in here so we can adjust the mood. And also what came in was all of my hardware for the doors and the drawers, and this is the color that I went with. It's a little bit lighter than the light, but the light's gonna be so high you're not gonna be able to tell. But I think the decision is gonna be on the ladder, the hardware on the ladder when it comes in, if it matches. But I thought these were so pretty for drawer pulls. No, these are the door pulls, and then these are for the drawers. This is the countertop that we ended up going with for in here, because we're gonna have a coffee bar in here if the kids spill. This is a quartz. It's called Calcutta, Colorado. I think I said that right. Anyway, it came in yesterday, and Ernie filmed it for me, and they're gonna fabricate it Monday. So what we're doing with this, like I said, is going across the whole top, and also it's gonna waterfall over the side to about right there. And let me show you what else I'm doing. My little animal pieces that came in from TikTok shop, they ended up being a lot smaller than what I thought they would be. So we're gonna take all of these in this box to Hobby Lobby and go find little frames to fit around them. So we have this little rat, the bear, a fox. Oh, he's stuck on his glass. A little fox right there. Can y'all see that? And then I had to put these together, but the super glue that it came with worked really well. So we got the rabbit with his big ears, and then this guy right here. So with all of these, I'm gonna try to fit them in frames and put them in the bathroom, but also I ordered these little tiny, all different size cake toppers that look like bubble gum, like when you blow a bubble. So I wanna stick a pink bubble gum in his pipe, and then I wanna put one in his open mouth. So I'm gonna put them in all of their mouths like they're chewing and blowing bubbles, and then I'm gonna take the rest of them and put them on the gold frames. I just thought this was gonna be so cute. I don't know, it's in my head, we'll see. But that's what we're gonna go do today. We're gonna go to Hobby Lobby and find frames for all of these guys. Let me show y'all where I'm gonna put them. This is the half bath off of the living room, and this is where I wanted to put the little animals. So I have this piece on this wall, and then the kids' artwork right here. But over here on this side, on this empty wall, this is where I was thinking to put all of the little frames and then have the bubbles just go all over the place. I thought that was gonna be cute. I don't know, we'll see. I might not like it. Oh, but this right here, the candle warmer, I do like a lot. And this little lamp, I like a lot too, because you just touch it and it gets brighter and goes off. Love it. Hannah's like, man, it is so comfy in this bathroom. All right, let's finish drinking our coffee, and then I'm gonna take you guys to Hobby Lobby.